welcome back to my channel again. So today this video is actually going to be a little bit different. This is one of my courses that I've launched recently and many students have used it. So this is all about perspective, so making sure that whether you're urban sketching, drawing, painting, you need perspective. So if you go to worldofpaintings.com, you should be able to see under the courses, either you can scroll down or otherwise go to courses, and then from there you will find all the list of courses that I have. If you scroll down, or otherwise you can even search, click on that. Once you click on that, you'll get to that course. You can see the details. If you have Skillshare account, click on that so that you can actually enroll yourself, or otherwise you can click on enroll now. That will take you to buy the course itself. So this video is actually going to be just part of it, and where I'm going to show you one of the drawings, but the entire course actually has more than 30 different objects. So if you're concentrating on either painting or even mainly urban sketching, or otherwise just the drawing or sketching, you need perspective for everything. So if you are getting into this course, I have explained each and every step, where those lines are going to meet, the concept, the theory, and with the practical approach. So I've shown some objects, how you need to think, how you need to see, and based on that, then I've gone ahead with a pen and paper, a pencil and paper, and then I've drawn all of those objects one by one, explaining each and every step. So if you are looking for a perfect perspective course, this is the one. Have a look at it and then you get an idea, and I'll see you in some